Hi there, sixth graders. It's Mr. Kerr, and welcome as we get going on week 5 here. As always, I'm going to ask you on this first day, hopefully this is Monday morning, you're watching this weekly video and you're enjoying all those great football victories by Colorado teams like the University of Colorado Buffaloes, big win this weekend, and also the Denver Broncos beating the dreaded Oakland Raiders. So hopefully you're enjoying those, watching this Monday morning. As always, we have the suggested schedule here. Hopefully you're watching this video right here. And as always, would love for you to check your grades. Go back, make sure you have everything in and done for last week and previous weeks. If you have any questions about that, please let me know. As always, you should be checking your messages here. Check your email and your text messages for anything. Go in here if you have questions. Of course, always the Start Here folder. And you know what's always a fun thing to do is what I like to ask students to do is go back to the first 4 assignments. Go back into that orientation discussion. Just check there. Oh, look, there's some, we might have some new people in the class, or somebody added something. So go back and check the orientation discussion and see what's happening there. All right. So this week, week 5, the meanings of Mayan buildings. And as always, everything on the suggested schedule will say that it's due on Friday, but of course you have the weekend if you need it. But we'll just move through this pretty quickly, always pressing the next button if you need it. We have a vocab assignment. Please go through this carefully. You set up a Google Doc or Word document with this kind of I don't know what we'll call it, but you'll be creating your own dictionary. And no, we're not doing the word sassafras. That's just the example here. But this is how we'll organize it. So these will be the 7 words that you'll need to do: temple, causeway, festival, calendar, archaeologist, pyramid, ceremonial. So you'll create a Google Doc or other document, and then real easy. You just create that, and you put the word, and in the next column you put a definition from any dictionary you want, and then you put a definition, put it into your own words, and then a picture to represent that word, and you'll do it for all 7 of those vocab words. So that's your first assignment. We have some videos to watch, a few quick readings. Notice that your vocab words tend to be bolded and in italics as we go through here. So do the readings on these pages about Mayan cities and temple of the giant jaguar. And then stela. What is a stela? A huge stone slab with Maya glyphs and drawings. All right, so you're going to learn about what a stela is, and as we go through, what the purpose of a stela is, and how archaeologists have kind of figured it out. Now, here is your stela assignment. This will be a discussion board, and the directions are all right here. You're going to create your own stela list, and then and then notice that here I have the directions. It's an audio reading of the directions. So if you're a little confused on the directions, just watch this video here, and it will step you right through how to do this discussion board. All right, and go through. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention is that this is your quiz, and I would like you to take your quiz first. And I know that sounds a little funny, but on these weeks when you have a quiz, see under Monday it says take quiz as a pretest. So the first thing you do as you come down, open up Unit 1, Week 5, and everything's in Lesson 1 this week, is that we have this Week 5 Mayan building quiz. Take that first just as a pretest so you know what to focus on for the week. And then you'll be able to take it a total of 3 times, so you can always come back to it, which you should after doing your vocab and doing this discussion board, and then come back and do take the quiz again. You should get 100%. If you don't, take it a 3rd time. Make sure you get 100% on it. All right? So let me know if you have any questions or anything. Use that audio directions for the Stella assignment, and I am available for you. See those of you coming in on Wednesday. Have a great day. Go Broncos, go Buffs. Bye.